Hi everyone, this is your licensed real estate broker, Jonathan Mendez in San Quintin, Baja California. Today, I greet you from the beautiful community of Costa Brava because we have a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom beach house fully furnished for rent. So please take the time to watch the rest of the video so you can have all the details. Thank you. Below this video in the description, you will find a link that will take you directly to our website where you can see all the details in how to rent this house. Thank you. If you are interested in renting this beautiful house, please get in touch with us. And I would like to take the time to thank you for all the support I get from you in social media. God bless you. If this house is not what you're looking for, I'm going to leave you a link right here where you can see more options of houses for rent in San Quintin. Thank you.